This might have been that spot. This is the spot. This is the spot I wanted to fish.
Yeah, I know it is. That's a perfect.
Yeah. This is a good spot. They could be right here. You should fish that. I'm gonna go right there. Oh. I'm getting little bites. Oh, that was a fish. Oh my word, I'm on the bank.
Got him.
What do we got here? Wow, that's massive. Let's get a good release on him. Oh, he's right there. I had a fish, I got a fish. He's tearing me up. You gotta get where I just went.
Got him.
Somebody ain't. What do you got? Rock bass?
Smallmouth.
Yeah, it ain't. Dude. Oh my, I almost fell in for that cast. I have a plan, watch. Watch this plan, it's gonna catch a fish. Oh, dude, we're in there. We got him.
Got him.
We got him. Okay. I guess he's getting away.
Oh,
He's on it.
this is not good.
What do we got? Rock bass. Wow. That was pretty good. Is it too shallow?
Maybe not over there.
I have one. I can like barely feel him bite. Man, another snag. Oh my. That is that's the smallest rock bass I think I've ever caught. I thought it was gonna be a green sunfish. Later, boy. Oh yeah. I'm pulling him out. Is that a fish? Whoa. All right. Time to put something new on.
What?
These. Better than that. Got him? What is it? Yeah, he's eating. I know he's there. Whoa, I just sank. I don't think they're gonna see this. It might be too dark.
I don't think they care. Did I get you? Get your hat. Might feel good.
Got my camera wet. Oh. My hat's a little wet. Oh shoot. I'm going to this side. I can't see. I don't know if that did it. How deep is it though? Is it still going down?
Going on.
I'm on a rock. Whoa! I found that hole. I found that hole you were talking about.
I stepped on a rock and started going.
Keep going. Keep moving.
I just moved that. Oh!
How is it over there?
I don't know why that was so bad. It was like a kid's.
How's that mud? Did we beat the mud?
Nope. I think we did a little bit more mud.
Whoa! Where's my foot? Where's my shoe? Oh, my shoe over there. I got all kinds of bugs.
Now we're where the fish are.
All right. Here we go.
Wait.
I got something.
Big old rock bass. I got a huge rock bass.
Dude. Yeah, you did. Dude, he ate that Ned.
Oh.
Look, they could be friends.
Ooh.
Oh my, they're busting over there. Oh my heavens, look at this. Get.
I had a
There we go.
Yep.
Oh my. He's right there. Oh,
Ooh. There he is.
that's a nicer one.
Got some weeds.
Dude, big lures, big fish. You gotta put on that bigger swim bait.
That thing?
Bro, he is,
Thick.
I'll tell you what,
Fish are fattening it up.
he's eating, he's eating good, that's for sure. Get on out of here, buddy. Look at your old man.
Rocks are trying to just.
What was that?
You see that?
Get in there for him. Oh my, oh man.
There we go.
He's biting. Something bit. Somebody ran over a rock with the lawnmower. Oh my, I want to get a nice smallmouth. If there's even any around.
Looks like a big rock bass over here.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not getting on anything anymore. Got those couple nice ones, but
Yeah, come on.
what are they? Are there any over there? Like right here?
Oh.
I'm about to find out. You got him.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that little feller. Hey, you want to see him?
Yeah.
See him a little better?
Yeah. Oh, I dropped
Right
him.
here still. Look, he's. Oh, there he goes.
I think he took off.
Ah.
I'm not having much luck. Let's switch to something smaller again.
Where are they?
There. I told you. This is another better one.
Oh, let me get on this side. I gotta get this snag.
Isn't that the same fish?
I think that one's
Hold on. Oh. I don't know. Could be, might not be. I don't know if there's really any way to know. I don't really know if I care. It's another fish. You snagged good there?
Apparently. I think this might be a big fish.
I like this bait already. I love this lure already.
Big fish.
You out? How'd you get out? Is that where they are? You sure? I might have to come check that out with you. He's right there, huh?
Baby.
Oh my, that's where he is. Here, hold up, hold up. I'm going to catch a fish. Oh, come on, you can't just blow me up like that. Ah. Oh my.
Oh.
Ooh. Man. They're just loading on. There are some better ones back in there. Bro, I just got smoked up. Get in there. Yes. Well, yeah. Let it drift a little. And then, like, dude, I was getting torn up. Feel him?
Yep.
Got him. What is it?
That guy's really little.
Come on. What about behind us? I might see. He was back there. Dude, like,
You thought he got away.
I like this bait. I like this lure. Let me get back in there again. Oh, I thought that was a monster. Whoa, 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 whoa. Biggie. Oh my. Yeah. Look at that guy.
Shoot. Big in.
That's what happens when you cast behind. It's a big rock bass.
I think I got a big one on too.
Yeah? Bigger than this one?
Yeah. There.
It's a nice one. Get out of here, boy. Oh my word, he just took off.
Gonna bite it right here.
That was a fun little fight. I like this freaking bait, dude. This is nice. Let me get in there again. Fish?
Ooh, that's a nice fish. Ooh, I don't know. He bit really hard. Oh no, it's not.
I mean, he's all right. He's good.
Wait,
That's a smallmouth.
That's a smallmouth.
That's what I wanted to catch. That's nice.
Shoot.
That's a good one.
That feels like multiple bites here. You want to hold my rod?
Yeah, I was gonna hold the fish. That's what I wanted.
Hey, buddy.
That's what I was wanting. I got smoked by a rock bass that was almost the same size. Take a look. Biggest smallmouth of the year. That's a nice one.
Yeah. It's about a 7-incher.
Probably like 8.
Let him go.
Get him back in. Oh, nice.
Felt like multiple bites there. I think he was
That was nice.
crazy.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
Casting
On
behind.
the Ned rig, huh?
What?
On the Ned rig, he wanted it.
Not that one. That's what I wanted to get. I'm getting in the mud right here.